what we're going to do is we're going to basically graph a few of these ones here. Okay, you're going to find they're quite easy. I'll do 5, I'll do 6, I'll do 11, I'll do 12, and I'll do 13. Right, so anytime it's x, it's a vertical line. So x equals 4 means all the points where x equals 4. And as you can see, any point I'm drawing here, the x value is always 4. So essentially all you have to do is a vertical line going through x equals 4. And that's your first graph done. That is the graph of x equals 4. Next one we're going to do is y equals 3. And for y equals 3, what we got to do here is we got to go through the line y equals 3. So all the points on this line always have a y value of 3. Y equals our horizontal lines, x equals our vertical lines. So that's the line y equals 3. So that's question 2 done. Now for question 3, you can draw these on one graph if you want. I won't ask you to waste too much time doing individual graphs. There's the line x equals minus 2. So that's question 3 done as well. Now I'm going to move on to question 5, which requires a small amount of prep work. In question 5, you have x plus 3 equals 0. Move the 3 over the other side, and then you get x equals minus 3. And all you have to do is draw a line through x equals minus 3, like so. And there it is done. So that's x equals minus 3 done. You should probably pause and have a go yourself now. See how you go. Do questions 6, 11, and 12. So now on question 6, we have y minus 5 equals 0, and quite simply y equals 5. So here we are here. This is the line y equals 5. That's that done. Okay. Now, next part after that, we're then going for question 11, which involves fractions. So in question 11, what you have is 2x equals 1. So divide by 2, and this is x equals a half. Now where is a half? A half is located in between 1 and 2. And then let's draw a straight line through a half. On the way up. And then we can obviously stretch it on the way down then as well. And there you go. That's x equals a half. Continues on forever, top and bottom. And then we have 2y equals 3. 2y equals 3 for question 12. Y equals 3 over 2, which is y equals 1.5. 1.5 is halfway between 1 and 2. Put a line there. Get rid of this. And then do a line that goes through y equals a half. And there you go. Happy out with that? There's y equals a half all day long. Now we're going to do question 13, which has two parts. It has an equation x minus 4 equals 0. And then it has an equation y plus 2 equals 0. So we're going to draw both lines. And then we're going to see where they intercept each other, which will be a decent way of doing it. They're also simultaneous equations, believe it or not. So you have x minus 4 equals 0, and you have y plus 2 equals 0. Bring it over to your side, you get x equals 4, and y equals minus 2. So hence the point 4 minus 2. But we'll draw both lines individually. We're going to draw the line x equals 4 first. So go through. See 4 on the x-axis, go all the way up, and then extend your line all the way down. And then the next point we have is the next line we have is the line y equals minus 2, which is down here. So draw a line through y equals minus 2, and your point of interception, of course, is 4 minus 2. Okay, you guys, there we go. So, happy days.